Tonight's bold question: should taxpayers cover George Zimmerman's legal bills? His high-profile murder trial cost almost $1 million. But now that he's been found not guilty of second-degree murder in the killing of Trayvon Martin, his defense attorneys want the state to pay up. And we've got our After Dark experts in studio tonight. For Team No, criminal defense attorney Patrick McDonough and prosecutor Kenya Johnson. For Team Yes, criminal defense attorneys Eric Johnson and Daryl Cohen. And we've got a full house tonight of experts. And first, before we go through anything, I want to get one word for you, each of you, one word to describe George Zimmerman. Patrick McDonough.
Not typical.
Stand by your man. Is that what she's doing, Patrick?
Well, that's what she's doing, but I'll tell you, if George Zimmerman's not careful, he's going to be carpooling with her to the probation office.
Really?
Yes.
You think he could be held responsible for her lies?
No, what I'm telling you is he's filed a motion to try to get these fees back, and he's got to prove that he is indigent, and that he's indigent and doesn't have the ability to pay for these expert fees. And if he doesn't do that, or if he gives false information, that's a misdemeanor in the state of Florida, and he could be found guilty of that.
Okay.
Yeah. And the other thing is, you're not going to have a case where he gets to double dip. I mean, you don't have these cases where you put up an internet site and get $300,000 and then say, hey, on top of that, taxpayers, go ahead and pay me back. You know, that'd be good. Let's just double dip. And let me just say about that statute, within the statute, it cites the rule. And I'm telling you, he's got to go to court and he's got to prove that he is indigent and has an inability to pay for these experts.
Like Casey Anthony did in her case.
Exactly. And remember, this is a guy who's got over $1 million in legal fees. Hey, got a top-notch attorney who's doing it pro bono. He's got experts that are falling off the wagon for the publicity. And he has audacity to come back in here and say, hey, now taxpayers, foot this bill. I'm telling you, at the end of this, he may be carpooling with
All right, hold on. You can tell this is going to be controversial once it does get to court when that motion's filed. Thanks for staying with us tonight on HLN After Dark.